Hello student, today we have started some multiple choice question MCQ and also answer on engineering materials under mechanical engineering module 5. Question number 1. Charpy test is conducted to measure. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Charpy test is conducted to measure toughness. Okay. Question number 2. The binding material for cemented carbide tool is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Binding material for cemented carbide tool is cobalt. Okay. Question number 3. Steel is made from cast iron by removing all excess. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Steel is made from cast iron by removing all excess carbon. Okay. Question number 4. The most important element which control the physical properties of steel. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Most important element which control physical properties of steel is carbon. Question number 5. Large amount of silicon when added to steel will increase the following properties of the steel. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Large amount of silicon when added to steel will increase the following properties of steel is magnetic property. Question number 6. A semiconductor material has following number of electrons in outermost orbit. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. A semiconductor material has following number of electrons in outermost is 4. Okay. Question number 7. Heat treatment operation involving heating of steel above upper critical temperature and then cooling it in the furnace is known as. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Heat treatment operation heating above upper critical temperature and then cooling it in the furnace is aniline. Question number 8. Heat treatment operation involving heating of steel above upper critical temperature and then cooling it in air, is known as, there are four options. Correct answer is D. Heating above upper critical temperature, then cooling it in air is known as normalizing, Okay. Question number 9. Tempering temperature of most of the material is of the order of, there are four options. Correct answer is B. Tempering temperature of almost all material is 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. Okay. Question number 10. Normalizing operation is carried out in, there are four options. Correct answer is B. Normalizing operation is carried out in air. Okay. Question number 11. The effect of alloying zinc to copper is, there are four options. Correct answer is D. Effect of alloying the zinc to copper is to increase the strength and ductility. Okay. Question number 12. Which of the following is better suited for lighter duty bearing? There are four options. Correct answer is B. Following is the better suited for light duty bearing is phosphorus bonds. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is better suited for heavier duty bearing? There are four options. Correct answer is A. Better suited for heavy duty bearing is white metal. Okay. Question number 14. Which of the following has maximum hardness? There are four options. Correct answer is D. Maximum hardness is martensite. Okay. Question number 15. The main purpose of heat treatment of steel is to change the, there are four options. Correct answer is B. Main purpose of heat treatment of steel to change mechanical properties. Okay. Question number 16. Which of the following is a case hardening process? There are four options. Correct answer is D. Case hardening process is cyaniding. Question number 17. The roller of a cycle chain are subjected to the following types of stress. There are four options. Correct answer is D. Roller of a cycle chain subjected fatigue stress. Okay, correct answer is fatigue stress. Question number 18. Which of the following is non-destructive test? There are four options. Correct answer is D. Radiography test is the non-destructive test. Question number 19. Case hardening is the only method suitable for hardening. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Case hardening is only method suitable for hardening low carbon steel. For hardening low carbon steel, case hardening is suitable. Question number 20. Moho scale is used to indicate the option B. Moho scale is suitable to indicate the hardness of material. To indicate the hardness of materials.